哎，可以。
First of all, you need to pull out this latch and find out this FPC cable in this way. Insert this cable in this way, okay? And then close the hatch. Okay, stable. And then install the M.2 head. Here is a Halo ATL, and fix this module with screws. This one, you can see that. And fix it. Okay. And the next step is to find out your Raspberry Pi and pull out this hatch like this. And when you attach your board, 等一下吧，停一下。Okay, next step is take out your Raspberry Pi 5 and remove the protection film from the heatsink and paste it on your Raspberry Pi 5, and then put your Raspberry Pi 5 on top of the heatsink with the NVMe adapter board. Make sure the pogo pin is against to your GPL soldering points, and then first connect this cable, FPC cable, pull out this hatch, insert the cable, okay, and close the hatch. Oh, sorry. Put the cable inside the hatch and secure the cable, okay? And then take out your heatsink in pink color and remove the protective film and paste on top of your Raspberry Pi on CPU, memory, and USB controller and Ethernet controller. And also you put one of this pink heatsink on top of your PMIC chip, okay? Here I don't use this one. And then put your heatsink head on top of your device, okay? And flip over. Use the screws to fix all of them. But before that, you need to take out your acrylic panel and peel off the protection film like this, okay? Peel off this paper and this side too, and then put it on bottom of the whole things and insert the screw and make sure everything is lined up and fix them together. Okay. And the next step is to fix the cross corner of your device and make sure everything is lined up. Okay. And note that the pogo pin will contact with your GPIO soldering points properly, and make sure everything is fixed with the screws. Okay. All right. And finally, you will find this cable is fan control. Insert to this socket by this direction. The yellow pin is outside against outside, and use a scissor to secure this cable. And you can put the cable into this gap and insert your TF card and boot up, connect the HDMI cable, USB keyboard and the mouse, and the power supply. It will be okay. All right.